हाय, माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिडिफाइंड ब्लॉग। लास्ट बार की तरह इस बार भी हमने एक नया चीज लेके आए हैं। बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स ने मेरे से ये पूछा है दैट व्हाई पीपल लूज मनी इन स्टॉक मार्केट। मैं आपको बहुत बार इसको एक्सप्लेन किया हूँ। आई थॉट दैट इट इज अ राइट टाइम बिकॉज मार्केट इज हाई। इफ पीपल इन्वेस्ट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, मार्केट might correct, they might lose money. So I should give you an example and a description that how people lose money in the market. Let us come by the point. You always remember that return, whatever you make, is a function of your hard work, your knowledge, your skill, your attitude towards investment and all those things. This cannot be generated overnight. So we have seen that there are a lot of people who actually come into the bull market but they could not stay in the bear market and finally they lose money. So I have noted some points. I think that we can explain that why people lose money and how they can protect themselves from losing their money. One of the reasons which I find is overconfidence. जब बुल मार्केट चलता है तो आदमी थोड़ा सा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है। उसको लगता है मैं कहीं पर भी इन्वेस्ट करूँ वो मेरे को अच्छा रिटर्न दे देगा। दे डोंट लुक फॉर द गुड कंपनीज एंड you have to understand one thing, that when a bull market comes, the money flows in such a way that it will be very difficult to distinguish between good company, medium company or bad company. Every company looks good at the same time. Like if you look at the stars at night, you would not be able to find which star is brighter and which star is how big and everything. It looks all same. It happens same like a bull market. So you need to first understand that you have to invest in a good companies where the management is good, the product is future oriented, product has a value itself. So people do not look for all those things when there is a bull market. They mostly look for the price and they just buy it. They just take the tips from others and buy it. So overconfidence is one of the reasons that people lose money when the bull market ends and it starts the bear market. Second thing is that very important thing is that unable to understand when there is a bull market, when there is a bear market. So like is a 50, right now around 53,000 level, but people think that it can go to 60,000 level. Some people think it can come down to 45,000 level. So they do not assess the down situation. So they do not understand that how a company operates or how a company functions or what kind of management is there and all those things. So unable to understand can also lead to the fall of the bull market. And once the bull market gets over, they get trapped into the thing. Very, very important point why people lose money on the bull market is they do not have the proper asset allocation. Suppose किसी ने they have a 5 crore rupees, they put all money into the things. And I recently get so many queries from it. People say that why you are putting the money in debt funds? Why you asking us to keep it in liquid? Some funds are giving approximately 50% return. Some funds are giving annualized 40% return. Then why you are keeping us in these things? Please understand, it is for the asset allocation. Because we do not know how long this bull market will work. In 2020 March, we have seen that within 10 days of time, market corrected by 40%. So 4-5 years of hard work wiped in 7-10 days. If it can correct by 40% in next 7-10 days, it can again happen. So you need to understand all those things. That you have an asset allocation. You cannot put all the eggs into the one basket and keep on asking for returns. Returns will come over the period of time automatically. But if you forget the rules of investment, then definitely it will not work. If you are a cricket fan, you can see that there are a lot of ways people hit it. But there is some grammar which is there. You have to take that thing, otherwise you cannot survive for very long. If you look at any sound batsman or bowler in the world, they always have a good techniques. So the techniques are important. Third thing is that they don't take the professional help. One of the major reasons why people lose money in the market. Usually it is very difficult to get a proper professional who helps you on this market or getting your portfolio done. Because either they are not interested or they are not qualified enough or they are not skilled enough to do it, but it is very difficult. You cannot get tips from one of the person who actually does it and then he gives you the entry point but won't be able to give you the exit point and finally you will lose the money. So what happened is that when bull market comes in, everybody can become your stock advisor. But when bear market comes in, where there will be an actual taste who knows the market and who doesn't know. If you do not know the market, or if someone doesn't know the market, automatically he gets trapped because he only sees the good side of it and he will not be able to bear the bad side of it. Another major thing why people lose money in the market is emotional decisions. In 2020 March, I have seen few of the clients get very jittery about the losing money and they pulled out the money from the market. They should not have done it. But they have done it and finally they regret about it. So emotional decision, they thought that probably market has come down to 7,000 level, it can come to 5,000 level, I will lose farther, so let's take out the money from the market and invest some other assets or wait or something like that. You never know how in the market will turn. So obviously the bull market will not live forever, same the bear market is. It will not live forever, it will turn. How quick it will turn, nobody knows. The same thing it happened when they take the emotional decision. You have to take the professional decision or your other decisions beyond your emotional decisions. Your emotional decision can actually drastically. I know people who says that मैं FD में डाल देता तो मेरे को अच्छा रिटर्न मिलता या सब कुछ. आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा. Market is not FD. It has a different characteristic. You cannot compare the apple with an orange. They are both different fruits. They are different things. सो एफडी में आप डाल देते या करता, लेकिन आज के दिन में आपका एफडी का जो रिटर्न था 6-7%, उससे मार्केट ने करीब आपको 10 से 12 गुना अच्छा रिटर्न दिया है. सो दैट इज मार्केट. इट कैन गिव यू द नेगेटिव साइड ऑल्सो, इट कैन गिव यू द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑल्सो. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज दैट प्लीज डू नॉट अट्रैक्ट टू मच टू द न्यूज और वीडियोज और समथिंग. So experts become bullish when market is bullish. You see that a lot of very well-known experts become very, very bullish when market touch around 15,000 level and they said it will go to 17,000 level, 18,000 level. Same experts in March 2020 said that market will fall to 6,000 level, it can fall to 4,000 level, and they came up with a lot of graphs and everything. आपको ये ग्राफ्स को देखना जरूर है, लेकिन इससे रिएक्ट नहीं करना है. आपका जो फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है आप उनसे बात कीजिए, व्हाट ही सजेस्ट. बिकॉज आपका जो फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है उन्होंने आपका बिहेवियर, आपका वे ऑफ वर्किंग, आपका जो बाकी चीजों है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, उनसे आपके साथ काफी दिन से काम कर रहा है. 4 साल 5 साल उन्होंने आपको दिया है, आपने उनको दिया है. सो ही नोज व्हाट टू डू एंड व्हाट नॉट टू डू. सो माय सिंसियर थिंग इज दैट रिटर्न डजंट कम इन वन डे. इफ यू आर गेटिंग द रिटर्न्स इन वन डे, it can go away in one day also. If you are getting the returns over the period of time, it can give you a better return. But please remember, don't be overconfident, don't look at too much of experts, advice and everything. Regular talk to your professional advisor who is giving you the advice, who knows you, who knows your behavior, who knows how you do it, who knows how much money you have, who knows how to change the portfolio, how to react to different things. And second thing is that don't take emotional decisions. Stay away from emotional decisions. Loss and profit will happen, but eventually, people who have invested money for longer period, they actually made better returns. Better returns may not be the 50% return or 60% return or 80% return. Better returns means you are beating the inflation handsomely, around 4 to 5% more than inflation is considered to be good return. So with this thing, I end up this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe, you can share, and you can like the button. And if you have any queries, you can send us to the mobile number and email ID. We will regularly come up with this kind of video and tell you how to invest about the market, how the market behaves, and what things needs to be done to become a better investor. Thank you very much.